Social learning theory offers a powerful lens to understand how we acquire skills and behaviors by observing others. Whether you're guiding students, raising children, or simply interested in human growth, exploring this theory can transform your approach to learning and teaching.
Social learning theory, introduced by psychologist Albert Bandura in the 1960s, highlights that much of our learning happens by watching others, not just through direct experience. At the heart of this theory is the idea of observational learning, acquiring new behaviors simply by seeing others perform them. This stands in contrast to traditional learning theories that emphasize learning through trial and error.
Bandura outlined 4 key processes in social learning: attention, retention, reproduction, and motivation. First, attention is crucial. We must focus on the behavior to learn from it. Retention means storing the observed behavior in memory for future use. Reproduction is the ability to replicate what we've seen, requiring both physical and mental capacity. Finally, motivation drives us to imitate, influenced by rewards, social approval, or admiration for the model.
Modeling is central to social learning theory. We tend to imitate individuals we admire or see as similar to ourselves: parents, teachers, peers, or public figures. For example, children often adopt polite language if they observe parents being praised for using it. Vicarious reinforcement further shapes behavior. Observing someone else receive rewards or consequences influences our choices, even if we aren't directly involved.
Social learning theory extends beyond the classroom. In sports, athletes improve by watching coaches and teammates. In workplaces, new employees learn best practices by observing colleagues. Online, influencers and creators act as role models, shaping trends and behaviors. This theory also explains how negative behaviors can be learned, making it essential to promote positive role models and environments. Understanding social learning theory empowers educators and parents to guide effective learning. By modeling positive behaviors, offering encouragement, and enabling observation, adults help children and students learn ethically. Creating environments where good behaviors are visible and rewarded, and discussing consequences of negative actions, supports healthy development.
Social learning theory has its limitations. Critics note it may overlook biological factors and individual differences, and not all observed behaviors are imitated. Personal values and abilities matter. Nevertheless, its impact on educational practice and psychological research remains significant.
Social learning theory reveals how much we can learn by observing others. By embracing modeling, imitation, and vicarious reinforcement, we become better learners and role models. Empower yourself and those around you by fostering positive environments that promote growth and ethical learning.